Welcome to Endone, guys. This channel is bringing you the latest news, tips, and tricks to help you make the most of your Android devices. Today's video is about what to do when your images won't load on your Android phone. Here's how an Android phone user describes the issues from the forum. Why won't my pictures load? Recently, when I try to view my photos, I find that they won't load, even though they were working fine before. I haven't checked my photos for just a few days, and this problem is like a ghost. I want to know how to fix Android phones not loading images. We understand that you might be facing the same problems when you reach here. When you want to know your Android phone won't show all photos, don't panic. To save you out, we'll explain why and how to fix the problem to get your device working again. Cause 1. Temporary malfunction. The solution is to restart your device. Restarting your Android device can help clear temporary malfunctions. Therefore, to fix the problem of images not showing up on your Android phone, try restarting your Android device. To restart your Android phone, press and hold the power button until the restart screen appears. Then tap the restart icon and wait for the restart to complete. After restarting, open the pictures again to see if they display correctly. If the problem is software related, this method can fix the "photos won't open in the Android Photos app" error. Cause 2. Insufficient storage space. The solution is to check and clear storage space. When your Android device has insufficient storage space, you may also encounter the "images won't open in the Android Photos app" error. To prevent this, you can try checking your storage space. If the storage space is too low, you can try clearing it. To check and clear storage space, follow these steps. Open your phone's settings, find and tap Storage in Settings, and check if the remaining space on the storage screen is below 15%. If it is below 15%, free up storage space by deleting unnecessary files or uploading some files to the cloud. After that, restart your Android device and check again if the "pictures won't display in the Gallery app on Android phone" problem persists. Cause 3. Redundant camera cache. The solution is to clear the camera cache. The camera app on your Android device can also affect image loading. If the camera cache is redundant or experiencing a temporary malfunction, the "photo gallery is not showing on Android phone" problem may occur. The camera cache is mainly for faster and better use of the camera app next time. Therefore, to troubleshoot this issue, try clearing the camera cache to fix the "Android phone photos won't load" problem. Please try clearing the camera cache by following these steps. Long press the camera app icon, then tap the "eye" icon in the upper right corner. In the camera details screen, scroll down and select the storage option. Then, tap Clear Cache or Clear Data. Finally, restart the camera app and see if the images load normally. Cause 4. Unknown fault. The solution is to contact a professional. If the problem persists, it may be due to a hardware issue within the phone causing photos not to show in the gallery on Android. You can contact the Android phone brand store to see if they have a better solution to help you. That's the end of the video. If you still have questions about your device, type them down in the comments. If it helps you fix an image sometimes don't load, feel free to give this video a like, and also comment below to tell us which method works. Alright now, don't forget to subscribe to Endone and turn the notification bell on to stay tuned with our latest uploads. Thanks for watching this video and hope you have a good day.